The ZONESUN ZS-FM5D is an automatic double-head auger powder filling machine designed for efficient and precise dosing of free-flowing powders such as cocoa, matcha, protein powder, spices, talcum, and acrylic powder. With dual filling heads, it achieves 20 to 40 bottles per minute depending on material type. Equipped with a screw feeder and large 150L hopper, it ensures continuous supply, while the mixing function prevents clogging and guarantees smooth filling. All contact parts are made of food-grade 316 stainless steel for hygienic production. By changing augers, the machine supports flexible filling ranges from 5G to 5000G. It can be integrated with capping and labeling machines for automated production lines, and optional dust removal systems improve cleanliness.